Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on HOTWAV T5 Pro. And to do this, let's try to locate all of the speakers on this device. So first one is on the back of the phone right here, and then the next speaker is located on top, and that's a phone call speaker. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, this speaker and one on the back, that means this device does have the stereo speakers. If not, then it basically means that it doesn't have it. Now let's try it out. Okay, and clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.